Hey guys, I'm underneath the sink, and now is probably a great time to talk to you about this RIDGID sink tool. This thing is going to make changing this kitchen sink faucet super easy. So I have used and abused this thing, but what I like about it is this comes with a sink strainer wrench right there on the end. On the inside here, there is a socket that you could use for a lot of different installations on kitchen sinks. Then, if you pull this bad boy apart, you've got your supply line. You've also got the multiple different size supply line. And I don't really use the other sides that much. Then, when you have those little plastic nuts, like I'll show you here in just a second, you actually can use this. This will grip onto those plastic nuts and pull them out. This thing is worth its weight in gold. I feel like everybody should have one of these if you're going to change your own kitchen sink faucet. In my opinion, using this is a lot easier than using a basin wrench. So this is for the supply lines. All we have to do is slide this bad boy up. Once it latches on, give her a twist. And now that's going to be loose enough to unscrew by hand. So if you want one of these, there's a link down below in the description. We're going to go ahead and do this other side here. Being under a kitchen sink's already awkward, so that's what's nice about this tool. As you can see here, holding the kitchen sink faucet on, we've got these plastic style nuts. This little guy will grip onto them and pull them off. So just go ahead and lift up on in here, give it a twist. Go to the other side, do the exact same thing. Oh boy, that's on there tight. Hey, it came loose. What do you know? And once you've given it a twist, you can take it off by hand the rest of the way. This sink faucet is loose. So look, whether you are changing your first kitchen sink faucet or you're a plumber and you hate basin wrenches like I do, this little guy is worth its weight in gold. So go ahead and pick one up down below in the description. This has been Handy Jeff. We will see you in another video.